Lately, Bollywood actor Payal Ghosh on Saturday accused filmmaker Anurag Kashyap of sexual assault. In an interview, she mentioned that the incident happened during the making of the film Bombay Velvet. Anurag later took to Twitter to deny all the claims and called them baseless. Talking in Twitter, अनुराग wrote in हिंदी, क्या बात है, इतना समय ले लिया मुझे चुप करवाने की कोशिश में। चलो कोई नहीं, मुझे चुप कराते कराते इतना झूठ बोल गए कि औरत होते हुए दूसरी औरतों को भी संग घसीट लिया। थोड़ी तो मर्यादा रखिए मैडम। बस यही कहूँगा कि जो भी आरोप हैं आपके सब बेबुनियाद हैं। You took so long in your attempt to shut me up. Never mind. However, in the process of silencing me, you had no qualms in dragging other women, being a woman yourself. Have some dignity, madam. All I want to say is that all the claims are baseless. He continued saying, I have never indulged in such behavior, nor do I tolerate such acts. We will see what happens next. Watching your video, it becomes evident how much truth there is to it and how much of it is fake. All I want to extend is lots of good wishes and love. I apologize for replying to you in Hindi even as you speak in English. He added, be it a beloved or the number of female actors and co-workers I have worked with in the past, or for that matter, all the women I have met in private or in public. He also brought his 2 marriages and called all the claims against him are baseless. In his last tweet, he mentioned how this was only the beginning of attacks on him. He said he has received a number of phone calls asking him not to respond. The actor also tweeted about the incident. She also got a response from Rekha Sharma, chairperson National Commission for Women, who asked her to send her a detailed complaint on the matter. Payal Ghosh wrote in her tweet, Anurag Kashyap has forced himself on me and extremely badly. Narendra Modi ji, kindly take action and let the country see the demon behind this creative guy. I am aware that it can harm me and my security is at risk. Please help. Many Bollywood personalities came out in support of the filmmaker. Names included actor Taapsee Pannu, Radhika Apte, Tiska Chopra, Anurag's first wife, too wrote in favor of the director, and Kalki Koechlin. Kalki said, Dear Anurag, don't let this social media circus get to you. You have fought for the freedom of women in your scripts. You have defended their integrity in your professional space as well as in your personal space. I have been witness to it. In the personal and professional space, you have always seen me as your equal. You have stood up for my integrity even after our divorce, and you have supported me when I felt unsafe in a work environment even before we got together. This strange time where everyone gets to abuse one another and make false claims without any repercussions is a dangerous and repulsive one. It is destroying families, friends, and countries. But there is a place of dignity that exists beyond this virtual bloodbath, a place of paying attention to the needs of those around you, a place of being kind even when no one is looking, and I know you are very familiar with that place. Hang on to that dignity, stay strong, and keep doing the good work you do. Love from an ex-wife. Radhika Apte said, Anurag, you have been one of my closest friends. You have inspired me and always supported me. You have always treated me as an equal, and I cherish the mutual love and respect we have for each other. I have always felt immensely secure in your presence since the day I've known you. You have been and always will be my trusted friend. Love you. For more such Bollywood updates, keep on watching Sharmila Showhouse Bollywood.
I think Sharmila, if you always believe that everything that you do.
Hello everyone, I'm Vicky Kaushal and you're watching me on Sharmila Showhouse.
It's absolutely fantastic to appear on Sharmila Show for the very first time, and keep watching the show, and I hope to be back soon.
Great honor to be here. Thank you so much.
Keep on watching Sharmila Showhouse because she brings the most unbelievable topics to you.
Keep watching Sharmila Showhouse. It's a great place to find out deep insights about people.
Be progressive, be positive, do yourself, understand your duties more than your rights.
It was lovely talking to you, Sharmila.
You train for all kind of roles.
Hi, this is Barun Sukhi and you're watching Sharmila Showhouse.
It was a great pleasure to be with Sharmila ma'am.
हाय, मैं हूँ सचिन जोशी और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं शर्मिला शो हाउस पर.
Very good friend and a journalist. My best wishes to Sharmila.
Happy to be on Sharmila Showhouse.
Hi, I'm Arjun Mathur and you're watching me on Sharmila's Showhouse.
Thank you for having me here.
So all the viewers of Sharmila Showhouse, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for being a part of this interview. Thank you for having us.
इनका शो देखते रहिएगा.
And you're watching Sharmila Showhouse.